beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, how to start and grow your business with or without capital, do it yourself tutorials and lifestyle. If any of this interests you, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys know how much I love you, right? Thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here again. You guys know how much I love you, and you know that you have a special place in the inside of my heart. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll be sharing some 5 creative business ideas you can start from home. Like, these are majorly offline businesses for those who do not like they're not into the online thing. So these are actually offline businesses you can start from home. So I'll be calling them one after the other. So just go through this video with an open mind. I'm very sure if you're somebody who actually wants to do business, probably offline business, I'm very sure you get 1 or 2 that you can actually do. So stay tuned. The first one I'll be talking about is delivery service. If you're somebody who enjoys driving and you have a car and you have some spare time to yourself, this is a business you can actually consider doing. All you just need is to have your complete car documents and your license is verified and you're good to go. For this business, it's actually a bit different from the regular Uber Taxify we all know about. Okay, so you might actually be thinking, so how do I do this? Like, will I just go on the road and start telling people I want to start cargo business, delivery businesses? Yeah, you can actually check some cargo companies around you. Whenever I go clear my goods, I know how much I have to wait, because most times you even call Taxify, they will tell you they are far away, they are this, they are that, yada yada, like they don't want to go to my area and all. So it's always an issue getting somebody to help me deliver. And all you need is to go to those cargo companies, like the shipping companies, and liaise with them that this is what you do, and you would really love to start working together with them to actually deliver goods to their customers. Because there are actually some people that when their goods get to Nigeria, they really do not have the luxury of time to go to the warehouse to clear their goods, or like us like this, that we are hustlers. So they really don't have that luxury of time to go to the warehouse to clear their goods. So they will actually prefer the warehouse do all the processing, let them clear it for them and all, and just send it down to them. So you can just liaise with those cargo companies, with those shipping companies that you're actually available for delivery services. If you would actually love to go into delivery services and you need contact of cargo companies, shipping companies you can work with, please let me know. If you're actually interested, it's something I can actually make further research to get more contact of those shipping companies. So whenever the shipping company needs your services, they will just call you. Since you've dropped your contact with them, they will just call you, and that's it. And you can also liaise with Instagram vendors for the vendors who sell heavy items, the likes of fridge, the likes of furniture. You can actually chat them up if you know your way around Instagram, and talk to them that okay, this is the service you render, and if they have any delivery, those kind of items, it's not something you can use bike like dispatch riders for. So they actually need a bus or car to deliver on their behalf. So you can actually liaise with them as well, that once they have an order for any of the heavyweight item, they can always call you. So you can just check out those guys, the likes of the Declutter NG, those who actually help people resell household items, like those moving, relocating, like they sell furniture, chairs, table, fridge, cooking gas and the like. So you can actually liaise with them that you're available for delivery service. Whenever they have an order, they will just call you, they will let you know, and you guys conclude on the price, and that is it. So that is the first one, delivery services. Second one I'll be talking about, these are actually for stylish people, those who need their way around a cold market or idumota. That's a personal shopper or shopper guide. Like, these are actually people who know their way around markets. There are actually some people that there is no market in Lagos. Let me say, okay, I'm based in Lagos, so to an extent I know how these things works. There are actually some people that there is no market in Lagos, that they do not know their way around it. They are so good, and most of these people are actually fashionistas. Like, they know their way around all these things. They are very good with fashion, with guiding people in getting some things in the market. So if you are somebody who fits into any of this category, you're a fashionista, you know your way around markets in Lagos, the likes of Eko, Idumota, Aswani, Yaba, Oyinbo. It might actually not even be for maybe clothing, fashion, accessories. It could actually be for food items too, like likes of Oyinbo, Apapa Wolf. Yeah, those kind of things that you can actually accompany people to the market to get what, like, for me, I do not like going to the market. That's me for you. Your work as a personal shopper is to guide people. Like when you want to go to the market, your own job is to guide them, like take them around, take them to where they will get good deals, and and before then you must have made arrangements with the customer and liars than agree on a certain percent. And also for bride to be, there are actually some brides to be who do not like, they really do not have friends around them, so they will actually need somebody to go with them to the market once their day is coming closer, to go to the market and buy things together. So actually that is where your job comes in. You can go with them, take them through, guide them through the process of the marketing and all. And if not for fashion accessory, it could be for food or any other item that is actually a good one. For food, likes of Oingo markets, the likes of K2 markets, it's actually not even necessary you have to follow them. There's some people that do not even like going to the market at all, so your own job is just to take down their order, what they want, take it down, then you go to the market on their behalf and charge for your services. So that is how it works. If you're somebody who is very familiar with those market and you have some spare time to yourself, this is a business you can consider doing. And there are cool cash in this money. It's just for you to just what, use your brain and think about it. So that's for the second business idea. The third one I'll be talking about is selling of goods without having to stock up. This is actually not drop shipping, or maybe drop shipping but the offline kind of drop shipping. So what you majorly do is that you look around your area, like around your vicinity, you see those shops like the boutiques that like they have so much items in stock. You see those stores around you, like in your areas, in your environment, that they import goods or they have so much good in store. Like it might be clothing, it might be shoes, it might be wares, bags, it might be anything. So you just go there and meet the owner of the store and tell them you alliance with them, that you're actually a marketer, you can market their products for them on their behalf. So this is more like drop shipping, but now the offline drop shipping, not the online. In this case, you're getting to see the owner of the store, you're getting to know where the store is based. Please do your due diligence before going into business with anybody. Go there and request to see the owner of the place or the manager, as the case may be. You tell them that you're a marketer and you would like to start marketing for them, that this is what you do. Like once they have a new product or even products in their shops already, you can actually see, they send the picture to you, or if they don't, you can actually take your phone, get a picture, and they will actually give you wholesale price. They won't give you retail price they sell to every other person's. They give you wholesale price. Then you start advertising to people around, show them the pictures, self promote those stuffs. You can also advertise, use the internet to your advantage. Once you get an order, you remove your own profit, then you pay the owner of the store and pick the item and deliver. This particular business, it's something I've been doing for a very long time. Once I move into a new environment, or once I see that maybe a new shop owner is coming to my environment, I'll just go to them, address them that this is what I do. I can market this good for you. You just give me a fair price, like your wholesale price. So once I have an order, I'll just come here and pay to you, then pick the goods and deliver to my customers. So that is how it works. I've been doing it for years and it's been working for me. The fourth one I'll be talking about is buying and selling of cheap dresses. In Nigeria we call it okrika, or bend down select dresses. This particular business is a lucrative business. Like it's actually something people are yet to tap into. Recently on Instagram I've been seeing stuffs like that, like you just see thrift dresses, fine dresses everywhere for good prices. You want to buy because you know that the quality of those dresses are actually fine, and you do not need so much. I have somebody close who does that. She goes to Yaba. I think they have a market in Yaba. She goes there and selects. Once they open a new bill, she goes there, she can select like up to 10 to 20 dresses, maybe for like 1,000, within 1,000 to maybe 2,000 naira max. Fine dresses. And she starts, once she takes them home, she packages them and resell them. She can resell one up to 3,500. There are some she sells for 4,000 naira. Like she's making on one dress, she's making about 1,500 profits. If you have maybe about 10,000 to 20,000, you can actually go to likes of Yaba, and I think Aswani as well. They open base. Go there, you'll find dresses. You can even choose to be unique with yours. Once you get back to your house, you bring them out, you wash them, iron them, and repackage them. Go to Instagram, go and look at those thrift sellers on Instagram, the way they do everything, package it, start taking pictures, put props and all, and take picture. Once people know you that this is what you do, you definitely start getting so much order, and you can now start buying in bill. I learned that Yaba and Aswani are still like, they are pros in thrift dresses. So you might want to consider that if you have a good sense of fashion, like you can go and select something good that you resell at a reasonable price, please consider that business. The fifth, which is the last business I'll be talking about, is decluttering business. What decluttering means is that you run like an agency firm, that you are like a middleman when people want to resell their household items or something they're not using again in their household items. Maybe they're actually relocating or they need the money to get something. You are like the middleman. You can be the interface between the seller and the buyer. You get that? If they are willing to, maybe they want to relocate and they want to sell their chairs, they want to sell TVs, they want to sell some of their furnitures, kitchen equipment, you can actually be the middleman, the agent between the seller and the buyer. So once those people are ready to, like, once those people have something to sell out, to resell, you are their middleman. You get the full details of that item, the name of the item, the description and everything about the item, and the price they want to sell. So once they give you the price they want to sell, you add your own agency fee to it. Yeah, so once you add to that, then you start marketing. Instagram is actually a very good place to do this kind of business. Anybody who is interested in doing this kind of business, I would strongly advise that you use Instagram as a platform to advertise, and go check the likes of, just type declutter ng into your IG search and see what those guys are up to, and they are doing so well. Once anybody is ready to sell out stuff, they tell them, like, they are an agency, they tell them, then they had their own profit to it and start marketing. Once the client is ready, they pay directly to those agents. Once the customer goes there to pick the item, if the customer is satisfied with the item, the customer goes with the item. That is when the agent will now pay the owner of the item. If the buyer is not fine, is not okay with the item, you won't pay the seller, you return the money back to the buyer. So that is what you do. You are just the middleman between the person selling those items, those household items of stuff they are not using again, or they want to relocate and they don't want to go with those stuffs. So you just market on their behalf. Once you have an order, you take money from the buyer goes to inspect the goods. If they are fine with it, they pick it, then you pay the money to the seller, remove your own profits, you pay the money to the seller. I hope you understand this. So those are the 5 offline business ideas you can start now with little or no capital. And I tell you for sure that these 5 businesses are something that actually they are very lucrative, they are moving well in the market world. Thank you so much for watching. I have about 3 videos on side hustle ideas you can start from home or from anywhere, both offline and online. I'll put the links to that video up here. I also have videos on drop shipping. I'll put the link also up here, and some will be in the description box below, while some will be attached to the screen towards the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly consider subscribing to get more of this content. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to share this video out there. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think about this video. Is there any of those business ideas you've been doing? What has been your experience so far? Please let us chat in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. You guys know I love you, right? Thank you so much. Till I come your way next time, thank you. I love you.